Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Diet. In anything you need to know about computer, here is the right place. So today I'm going to teach how to customize your own dataset in such a way that you can use it to fine-tune your own Llama model. So without further ado, let's get started. So as we all know, Llama has its own prompt template format, and I don't know, maybe you can decide to create your own dataset. So I'm going to teach you how to structure a dataset so that it can be able to match up with the Llama model and you can fine tune your dataset easily. So I'm going to show you my dataset and then I'm going to show you how to fine tune. I'm going to show you how to customize your own dataset. So without further ado, let's also get started. So first of all, we are going to mount our drive because I have my data in my Google Drive. So after mounting it, I will come here, pass in the file path in my Google Drive, and then use this command to what? To unzip it. So after doing that, I have it here, which is 3 medical chatbot data. Of course, as we all know, I'm using Google Colab, so please, you can use your local machine or whatever. It's still okay. So let's see the file that I have or the dataset that I have. As you can see, we have description, patient, and doctor. It's just a normal conversation between patient and the doctor. Okay, so now we need to structure it in such a way whereby we can use it to train our Llama 2 model. And the prompt that we are going to give it, we are going to give it what? The hashtag here, three hashtag patient, then three hashtag doctor. So let's get started on how we are going to do it. All right. So in this command, I said prompt. I have a CV file format with two column name, patient and doctor. This is just to give you an insight of what's going on here. I want to create another column called text, which follows the following structure. As you can see, here is the structure: the human, the patient, and the doctor. So I don't want to do it manually for each of the text column row. Please provide me a Python code that will read this CSV file and create the column with the structure for each row. So here I have it. We are going to import pandas as PD, and then here we have our function which holds in our CSV file. And we are going to read the CSV, create a new column text with a specified structure, and then we are now going to give our what? Try block. So we are going to read the CSV. So we are going to check if patient not in data frame or doctor not in data frame, and it should raise a value error saying that what CSV file must contain patient and doctor columns. All right. So now here is the catch. Here this is where we are supposed to, or let me say this is our focus here. So we are going to create a new column called text. Each of the row in the column we want to get the conversation of a patient and the doctor. So we want to get what the patient said in the form of human prompt, and then what the doctor said in the form of what? Assistant prompt. All right. So if we check what I'm trying to say is here we are going to have the patient here. We copy it so that I'll show you. Here we are going to have the patient here, conversation, and then here we can say We're going to have our what? Our doctor. Yeah. That's just basically it. So, but if we are to say that we should create a text row column here, that means we have to be doing it manually, creating the, or let's say writing the hashtag patient new line here, and it's kind of really choking. So, we are just going to do it manually and automatically using the code, create a text, then data frame.apply. We are now using the lambda function here of the row. We are now giving it the formatted string of the human row, attached, patient, conversation, and the assistant in the same row, the doctor conversation. All right. So we are going to save the updated data frame to a new CSV file. All right. And then we are going to put what? Column created successfully. And we are now giving it our exception error processing CSV file. And here we are now giving it our what? Our dataset name. Or if it's not here, if it's in another place, you can just copy. You can just copy the part, and as you can see here, the copy the part and then you can put it here. So I'm running it and it's running. You can see the green tick here, it's running. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see here, it's already loaded up, but let's wait to see the green light, and it says what? Text column created successfully. So let's read it out and see how it is. Let me create a new block of code and then write my hello. So as you can see, we have successfully created a new column here. What? Prompt, prompt format. Okay, so that is that. And also, if you want to zip it, you can use this command and it will automatically zip the folder for you. And then you can save it or you can send it to your Google Drive or wherever you want to keep it. And so watch out for more, because I'm going to use this same data set to what? To fine tune my own Llama model, so that what? I'm going to do it in a specific task. And I'm going to use the base model. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.